Well, we are in the Humvee. She is street legal. She, he, it, I don't know, I don't care. It's street legal, and we can now drive her legally up and down the roads. We're gonna go through this ditch here in just a second. Let this car go real quick. We're gonna do a little Yui, a little off-road Yui. Right down through the ditch. I love this thing. A little noisy though. It's the O2 M1097A2, so it's actually got overdrive. We'll get up to speed, we're at 50. Actually has that other gear it kicks over into. Look at this dog. Don't run out in front of me. Don't run out in front of me. Cool. Just easing it into service. I still gotta change all the fluids, the transmission fluid, all that good stuff. Actually taking it back to get it parked for a few days. Gotta use my regular work truck, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update on it. Sorry for the noise, it is extremely noisy. We're gonna park it here real quick. Hopefully get this uploaded to you guys. I want your guys' thoughts and opinions on a couple things. Should I paint it or leave it camo? Sorry, my little phone holder's moving all around there on you. So paint it or leave it camo. Either way, you're gonna get some logos done up for it. And what should I call it? Is it a he, is it a she? Give me a name, something good, something that means power, pride, American pride, that kind of stuff. So we'll do a quick walk over the outside real fast. I still got to do a little work to the inside as well, but I've driven it the past couple of days a little bit. It's nice, it's just noisy. So the other big update I think that I'm going to do to it is getting a noise canceling headset system like I would use when I flew. The mirrors on this axe, they suck. No doubt about it, the mirrors are junk. So the mirrors on the Humvee, they've got to be forward because the doors swing open. Let me show you here. So if you look at it, it's actually forward, so when the door swings open, it doesn't hit it. And then that one, it's actually got to be in front of the pillar there, the A pillar. Otherwise you wouldn't see it, and if it was on the side, so as I'm looking out, the door would hit it. So they suck. Your field of view, you gotta like move your head around to see down the side here. Actually, I just put Velcro and put that up here so I could use a mirror out the back. That helps out. They suck. They're not good. But I need to finish mounting the front seats. I need to put the back seat belts in. They're almost done. I need to clean it out. I've not had any cleaning done to this. I've got a little bit of I got a new top to put on because this one has some defects. I got to mount these bows in. They're just sitting up there. Clean the outside, get rid of the white marking right down here. And yeah, it's getting to be about that time. I'm not going to lie, on the way here, since it's street legal, I took it through a few ditches. And I tell you what, things that my work truck right here totally gets stuck on, this thing went right through it. I've got my brother in the truck there. He's giving me a quick hand. He's got to borrow some tools, so I told him, hey, you do me a favor, you run out, take me back, and I'll let you borrow my tools, and you get this parked for a few days. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is the only nice other day this week, and then it's going to be gross, rain, and nasty. But I wanted to get your guys' get an update out there to you guys. It is street legal. I got the template on until the new one comes. What do I do with the color? For those that may not have seen it, let's just take a quick look at it. I'm gonna shut it off. That's so you can hear it one time. It's not so loud on the outside, it's the inside. The inside is just deafening loud. So the headset, definitely want to get. Yeah, I gotta finish mounting these, put a dead man switch in, key stuff like that, belts in the back. Other than that, I've already carried some roofing in the bed here. It's fun. Probably too windy out here. So do me a favor, drop a comment down below. Keep the camo or paint it. Either way, it's going to get some sort of logos representing the military, the different branches, the armed forces, and a little bit of the company stuff here, and then start putting it out there to do givebacks for the military families. The whole point of what I got this for. But I wanted to get your guys' thoughts. Paint it camo, leave it camo, or paint it, and then what shall I call it? That's what I want. If you guys could, just a quick little comment down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, I just took the Humvee back. I got back into town, heading home, and I realized a couple things. Most importantly, I did not address the reason why I got that, and I wanted to thank all the military men and women and their families that have sacrificed so much and served this country to give us the opportunity to be able to build businesses and live free here in the United States. So thank you to all you military men and women and families. Those of you that have sacrificed so much and those that actually have lost loved ones. I had shot a video earlier this week, but it was very short, very impromptu. I didn't even, I covered that part of it, but I didn't do it today. I was in a hurry to get home. So thank you to you all. I also forgot my mounts for the camera of the phone, so I'm just gonna have to bear with it. Have a little shaky video, have to edit this in, but it was important to do because, again, I wanted to thank you guys. The whole point of me wanting a military Humvee back when I was little is because I worked really hard to pay for the vehicle I had. People made fun of it being a rust bucket and a piece of crap, but I was proud because I worked my ass off to pay for it. Years forward, I wanted this back then. Now that I've finally been able to achieve it, I wanted to be able to give back with it. That's the whole point, to the military men and women and the families. So if you are in my area, if you're in the central Indiana area and you know somebody that's been in the military that has served, if you could, give them a quick shout out. I want to recognize those and everything they have done. Let me know what branch they're in, or if you watching this have served, let me know what branch you are in. I thank you. I really do appreciate it. There's many people out there that do. They just don't take the time of the day to let it be known. So on behalf of all of them, I think that was my former boss actually waved to me. He never waves. Kind of blown away. Anyway, back to where I was. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. It meant a lot to get the dream achieved, to be able to pick it up and buy it. But I don't want to be greedy and just have the pleasure myself, so I wanted to give back. So again, if you know anyone in the area, within about an hour, I can't do a whole lot. I'm not super successful yet, but I do want to give back. So if you know a military family that is struggling, going through some tough times, has some roofing related outdoor exterior needs and issues, I want to be able to do what I can to help them free labor. I can't really do a whole lot more than that right now because I still need to keep the company afloat, but I want you guys to know that I do care. As I've said in some other videos, I do have some family that have served. My dad, my brother-in-law, friends growing up, friends of friends, and I just want you all to know there are people out there that do care. So again, thank you all. Let me know what branch you've served in. Let's recognize those that have served. And as always, until next time, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video.